Aquaponics, a viable solution? Yes. Climate change, water shortages, growing food insecurity. Problems we're all familiar with, problems that need solutions. Here at Biophilia Systems, seeking the right solutions is our passion. Our goal is to find and promote sustainable systems of food production and healthy living. We believe that nature herself holds the keys, so that innovation, combined with naturally occurring systems, will provide viable solutions. One of those solutions is aquaponics. It combines simple technology with naturally occurring organic cycles to grow vegetables and fish together. Not only does it produce 2 crops at the same time, but it's hugely water efficient, produces 0 waste, and can be done anywhere, and does not use any artificial fertilisers or pesticides. It's a great addition to any self-sufficiency project. I've been into aquaponics for the last 7 years and been teaching it for 4. There's a heap of information you can find on the internet. It can be daunting, but this course cuts straight to the chase. It will enable you to learn all you need to know about aquaponics and build your own system in simple, easy to follow steps. Quality videos lead you through the theory, the actual build, and getting fish and plants established in the system. All plans and dimensions are included and can be downloaded. You'll only need basic skills and tools. This affordable system will get you started rapidly and can be easily expanded into a larger system. It could also be your first step towards a commercial system. This system will pay for itself in a couple of years, providing you and your family with fresh quality vegetables and fish. So don't waste a minute. Check it out on our website right now.